Basically, our focus is on Europe market, where the issues of pesticides are very severe. We have, together with World Spice Organization and our association in New Bombay, Indian Spice and Foodstuff Exporters Association, we formed an alliance and we've gone into backward integration. We started an IPM, Integrated Pest Management System, for cumin cultivation. We've employed 6 agronomists and scientists to do the due diligence on the farm and monitored the usage and the content of the pesticides. Hopefully, by the March end, when we get the results, it looks very encouraging. The usage of pesticide in that area is low, and when the new crop comes, we will test it for compliance in EU and Japan market, and then promote that farming throughout Rajasthan and North Gujarat as well. This is the first year the associations, exporters, scientists, Spice Board, farmers, they all have come together for this pilot project, and we are very hopeful it will be successful. So next season we will see more exporters and more farmers participating for this project. We have listed out the chemicals that are harmful, that are prohibited in EU countries, and we have stopped farmers from using them. Our scientists have recommended alternative pesticides and their dosages, whereby the cumin passes the MRL requirements, maximum residue limit requirements of European Union. There is no great technology involved. It is just monitoring of usage of pesticide, plus at every important stage, right from soil preparation to harvest, our agronomist team, field team, representatives are present, and they will monitor the usage and they will grade the farmers, and accordingly we will start procuring cumin from them when the harvest is done. Normally you may see some big companies doing on their own, but cumin, this is the first time. In chilies we have seen that happen in past, but let's see that cumin, if the pilot project succeeds, we will definitely go forward with more products also.